Good morning, everybody. One sec. No, that's going to stay where it is. That's okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Meg. I'm also with the University of Vermont Transportation Research Center, and today I'm going to be talking about the impact of transferring truck trip generation rates from the literature to truck activity modeling. And I did this work with Greg Rowengold. So to address the broader topic of planning for urban truck movement, starting with a little motivation, trucking is an essential part of the economy. Different statistics are thrown around, but a lot of people say it's about 60% of goods are moved by truck in the United States. But trucks also are one of the largest sources of greenhouse gases and air pollution in the transportation sector. Metropolitan planning organizations use truck models to allocate funding and decide on projects to plan for trucks in their region. And based on a brief review of the literature, we found that these models vary in both method, accuracy, and sensitivity. And so our overarching kind of motivation behind this is that uncertainty in models introduces uncertainty into the efficacy of our planning efforts for trucks. So starting at the very base of truck trip modeling, we have trip generation, which is just how many truck trips are going to be conducted in the study area, by what industries, by what types of vehicles, and where. And we found that barriers to primary data collection, which could be cost, could be employment at MPOs, various things, lead to planning organizations using trip generation rates from secondary sources. When I say secondary sources, I'm talking about reference materials, borrowing trip rates from state DOTs or other MPOs. And so the effect of adopting these rates versus using the primary data about the region are currently unknown. And so to examine this in a case study, we applied 3 different trip generation frameworks from the Quick Response Freight Manual, which is by Federal Highway, to Chittenden County. And some questions we asked about this is how did the trip generation vary in volume, the major industries that cause the trips, and also the spatial distribution to try and get at the overarching question, which is, are trip generation rates a source of uncertainty in planning? I kind of did only a teaser of the findings, so if this isn't enough, please come see me at my poster. But generally, we found that total trip volume varied greatly depending upon the model used. Contributions from different vehicle classes, light, medium, and heavy duty, differed across models, and this matters because of those externalities on the infrastructure, on the air pollution. And also each model indicated that a different industry was the one with the largest effect on trip generation, which would be really important for making economic decisions about freight in the region. Please visit the poster to learn more about the project. Thank you.